In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a link from a comment in Google Slides. So the first thing you need to do is to add a comment to any element on your slide. It could be a text, shape, or it could be some image or video. It's totally up to you. And you can right click on those elements and then click comment. So here where you can add some comment, and let's post the comment. And to get the link, just click more options and click get link to this comment. So basically when you click on that link, when you visit that link, it will direct you to the slide that contains a comment. So for example, I have this document and you can see that the slide that I'm on right now is on the slide number 2. And let's say I want to add the hyperlink to the slide number 1. So I'm going to select this text and I'm going to paste the comment link. And if I click this link, you'll see that this will immediately direct me to this section of the document. So that's very useful if you want to direct the attention of the people that is working on the document to that specific location. So yeah, that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.